like it, guys. Hey everyone, how is it going? It's your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali, and today I am going to be doing box braids in my hair. If it's the first time you're here on the channel, thank you so very much for being here. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. First of all, you know what time it is. Before we get into everything, it's big up segments. We want to big up Whitney Yuwandu. Her channel is consist of lifestyle videos and also beauty videos. So right after this video, just go ahead and just jump onto her channel and show her some support also. Now, since we got all the big ups out of the way, let's get into the video. What I'm going to be doing is box braids, and I am going to be using this here, Young Thur. I bought it on Amazon and it was very good, so I am going to be using it once more. My hair is actually just washed and it is very clean right now, and also I towel dried it. I'm going to use the contour leave-in condition. With the shea butter, what I'm going to do is just to put it all over my hair, because my hair is going to be in the braids for a while, so I'm just gonna try to moisturize everything, loose out the plaits, and just rub it all over. With a big teeth comb, I will comb through my hair, and then after I'm going to go in with some coconut oil and to make sure that my hair has a lot of moisture in it while it is covered with the braids. Now, I failed epically with this because I was trying to do the part by myself. However, I did not manage to do so. I had to get some help from my cousin, and she gave me a little style up the top there. It was very neat. I'm sorry you are not able to see everything. But what I'm going to do now is just to take out the amount of braids which I need, and I'm going to send the crochet needle through my hair under the elastic bands, and then I'm going to be pulling the braids through the elastic band. Now once that is done, I'm going to be evening it out and then putting my hair in two just to tighten it back. And then once that is done, then I'm going to go ahead and just start plaiting the braids. Just the same way you would plait your own hair. That's what I'm going to be doing for my entire head, since it is already in the elastic bands. This is so easy to do. I did not know that it was this easy. I've heard persons saying that it is easy to be done, because all you have to do is just pull the hair through the elastic bands and you're all good to go. So I tried it and it is, and I am definitely going to be doing this once more. So I was trying to see if I could do some amount for you so you're able to see, but it wasn't working out. What I did also is, with my natural hair, I put some shine and jam on my hair just to make sure that it remained with the right consistency when I braid my hair in the braids. It took me a very long time for me to do this, but the end result was very good. It took me the entire day, I must say, because I was the one who was doing it, so I was in and out, stopping and talking and eating and everything, so night caught up on me for me to do this. But the good thing about it, I was going to be heading out shortly, so yeah. So I'm now down to the last one, so I am just trying to show you what is done there. And also, because I was plaiting it all the way to the end, and it was after the fact, my cousin told me that I should have plaited it halfway and then after just go back in and do all of them, you know. So I didn't know that. But the end result was very good. As you can see, I'm very excited because usually I'm going to the hairdresser to get this done. And it was pretty neat, as you can see there. Just like I paid a hairdresser to do my hair. And then what I'm going to be doing now is trying to lay what I don't have. So I'm just trying very hard with the edges, and then I'm going to be tying that down a bit just to lay the edges properly, and then I'm going to be doing my makeup while those are laid. So now I have the edges out of the way. Just tie down my head a little bit, do my makeup, and then of course the big reveal. Guys, you can all try this as well. As I said, it's very easy, and I do not know how to braid here. It's my very first attempt and I am so pleased with it. And also guys, remember the lashes. Aren't they cute? Yes, I'm working so hard on the lashes because I want, when I start distributing the lashes, you all love them. So that's it. That's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Let me know in the comment area. In the comment area there, make sure you let me know if you like it, if I did great or not. I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali, saying thank you so very much for being here with me, and you do take care and walk good. Peace.